Hello everyone and welcome back to another Trading 212 portfolio update. Yes, I'm finally back making a video. It has been a while, I'm not gonna lie, I've been very busy in the last month or so. I've been recently moving house as well as also starting a new job, so that has pretty much took up the most of my time. So I've not really had a chance to even keep up to date with, I would look at my stocks now and again, but yeah, I've just been really mobbed out trying to get used to this new job and also move house as well. But I am back and it's been an interesting month overall. The portfolio has done very, very well. Still had its ups and downs in the month, but as we can see, I'm currently at £3,228 and my return now is £758 and I'm up 30% overall. But as we can see in the last month, we started around £240 up, 8%. You can see I invested £2,781 and now it's like £2,400. I did sell some stocks and moved into crypto, which is why I've now invested less, but we're up around 22% this month. At one point up here, we really was almost up to the £1,000 mark in the green, mainly due to Tesla, which we'll get into, but then slowly went back down. But again, we've seen a bit of more growth in the last week or so again. So overall it's been really good. So we'll just dive a little bit more now into the stocks, in particular Tesla. But the first stock on the list, which is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. So again, in the last month, these have been absolutely flying. It reached an all-time high, mainly due to the rumours around the electric car that Apple are meant to be bringing out. So that's also been a good catalyst for them. So up 7.92% in the last month. So they did get up to 156 not long ago, but shot back down to 139. But since then, it's gone from strength to strength. So now $160 a share. So my total investment, I'm up 28.44%, and I own 10 shares currently. I also recently received a dividend from Apple, which we'll take a look at. So we can see there we go, a dividend of £1.40. So again, that's an increase. Last time it was only £1.36. So the dividend going up as well as the stock price can only mean really good things for this company. Again, Apple is just a long-term hold for me. I'm planning to hold this for at least 20, 30 years. Obviously, we don't know what's going to happen in the future, but I can see Apple still being very, very strong. So the next stock on my list is my worst performing stock, which is Bionano. These have been struggling. In the last month, down 16%. But at one point in the month, it was actually in the green for me. Well, not in the green, just in the green for the month. So they got up to $6.01, and then since then they've just absolutely fell off the cliff. And I don't know what's really happened with them. I'd get too much in touch with a lot of the stock, just been looking down again. But I did sell some shares to put into my crypto, but I had 150 shares at one point, and I only have 100. But I won't be selling anymore as I want to keep it at this mark and possibly add more at this low price as well. So I'm down almost 30%. Long-term hold Bionano. I do believe in this company in the future. It will be a great, great company, as it is already the things they're planning to do and already doing. So £135 down, 100 shares owned, and yeah, 29.2% down. So the final stock on the list is my best performing stock in the whole portfolio and in the last month, which is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So in the month, they are up 31.6%. Last 3 months, 68%, and then the year over 100% up. So we saw the big spike at the start of the month. So this was, if you scroll back, this was about a month ago. So 20th of October, $866. Had an absolute massive run all the way up to 1,200. And then since then, it sort of had a pullback down here and dropped even further back into the 900 mark. But since then, we've seen in the last week up 10%. So they've gone strong again after that pullback. And I do think we'll see them get to the 1,200 mark again and possibly even more, but we'll just wait and see. So I'm currently up almost 60% with Tesla, or £627. I own 2 shares currently, and the beauty of Tesla is if we can get to that certain growth like we did last time, around the $2,500 mark, 3,000, I do believe we'll see another split, which will then create me having more shares for the same value. So Tesla, again, long-term hold, next 15, 20, 30 years, electric cars will be a mainstay in our society, and pretty much most of the population will have one. So long-term hold for me. So guys, that is it for my first portfolio update back after a month absence. So let me know what you think of the portfolio. If you own any of the same stocks, or if you think I should diversify more, let me know in the comments. And I've missed the engagement, so get back on it. So on that note today, guys, I'm going to leave you to it. Take care. Bye.